Well, thank you, Nora, and thank you, ChemAxon, for inviting myself and Agilent. Pleasure to be here today. Learning a lot of new things about ChemAxon. Very exciting, actually. I can see even more possibilities for collaboration in the future. So, Agilent Technologies, for those of you that have not heard of the company, we build, design, and market a variety of products, including instrumentation for mass spec, for chromatography systems, software to support that instrumentation, and services. We go into a variety of different laboratories, genomics, proteomics, metabolomics. You may have heard it recently in the news that Agilent has been separated into two companies. We used to be a 20,000 person strong company with electronic measurement technologies, so that's split off into Keysight Technologies. I think officially it will be split November 1st. But we're located in Santa Clara, California, about an hour south of San Francisco. And some exciting new changes, getting a new CEO who's been with the company actually for 30 years, focused on chemical analysis, so we're going to be looking forward to those changes. So an exciting place to work for sure. So within the software components or software space at Agilent, we have a variety of products. I'll be focusing on electronic lab notebook today. But we have other products within the OpenLAB, what we call the OpenLAB portfolio. So including data systems today, including ChemStation and EasyChrome for chromatography data systems, content management like ECM, the enterprise content management product, and then professional services. So for electronic lab notebook, the OpenLAB ELN, it's really to help optimize and bring efficiency to your lab. Helps with organization so you can upload and view the results very quickly, and then importantly plan the next steps for your experiment. So really standardizing protocols, tracking the progress, sharing. We talked a lot about collaboration, the importance of collaborating among groups. Being able to share those results and search for them later to help you prioritize those experiments and delegate them. So ELN is really the central hub for informational exchange. Again, pointing to the collaboration, how important it is today to get things done. Very easily, when you can use ELN and you can upload images of a variety of types, whether it's chromatograms, images, Excel tables that actually work with the calculations embedded in it. Drag and drop is easily done. If you have software on an instrument, for example, instead of printing to a printer, you can just print to ELN, and that'll upload into that program. So very user-friendly in that sense. Okay. And then a variety of templates. We have standard templates and customizable templates and forms to help you standardize the workflows and minimize errors. So again, with the collaboration theme, easily sharing results and standard operating procedures with your teammates, whether it's within the company or across the globe, instantly. And then, of course, delegation to tasks to appropriate people in the lab through e-signature systems and tracking the progress. As I talked about, any kind of analysis type can be done in any kind of reporting. Images and files can be uploaded into the system. So it's really flexible to meet the demands for chemists, biologists, and any other scientists. When you're setting up a compliant lab environment, ELN helps a great deal in that sense because it helps you prepare for an audit. These are happening more and more, obviously, and so having something with an audit trail, e-signature enforcement, controlled access, and versioning and version control is critical, really. So when an audit happens, it reduces a lot of stress and time because you can bring up that data that's requested instantly. And the proof is in the pudding. A lot of happy customers. One here actually in Cambridge from Rana, saying that the real value of OpenLAB is really the ability to recover data that is after it's captured for use in decision making. Another company, Bioconversions, uses something called, this is a contract research organization, uses something that's called eTransparency, and has incorporated our OpenLAB ELN into that eTransparency to give people and their customers complete transparency across the entire workflow. And then a nutraceutical company based in Utah, really touting that they have traceability throughout the whole process for them. We talked earlier, and Alex mentioned, and a couple of people mentioned about the future and where this is going. We're certainly looking at Agilent as an entire company is looking at where can we go from here. And particularly ELN, I think, lends itself to a tool that could be used in the mobile and cloud space. So for mobile, we're looking in the next 4 or 5 months to release a mobile version of our OpenLAB ELN that will help search and view, will accomplish the e-signature, and we're looking at iPad applications or phones even to capture pictures and notes while you're in the lab, so you can save those images directly into your experiment. And this would, of course, sync with your cloud or on-premise ELN installation. And then for cloud, rapid deployment, flexible pricing models, data security, all that is being worked on right now. So that's coming. So for more information, feel free to stop by in the room next door. I have business cards, and we can discuss this later on. Thank you so much.